This is our Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel's 81st video. This is lesson number 81. From here, we are learning differences in the natural content of sapphires from Sri Lanka and Madagascar. We are comparing Sri Lanka stones and Madagascar stones differences. Look at here. This is Sri Lanka stones inclusion, natural inclusion. This is Madagascar fingerprint. We are discussing this in this lesson. We are moving to next. These are the color zones and twin lamelline sapphire from Malagasy. Malagasy means Madagascar. These are the color zones in twin lamella in sapphire from Malagasy. Malagasy means Madagascar. This is from Sri Lanka, the rutile needles and points. Rutile points and the needles, parallel needles in unheated sapphires from Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka sapphire. This is Madagascar sapphire. We are discussing the differences between these two countries. Let's learn about the inclusions in sapphires from Sri Lanka and Madagascar from this lesson number 81. Please subscribe, like, and give a like and share to your friends and all. Number one, fluid inclusion. Fluid means liquid. Liquid inclusion feathers in this fingerprint in an unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. There is a fingerprint and the liquid, that means fluid inclusion feathers are there. It is from Sri Lanka. This sapphire from Sri Lanka. This one. This is also from Sri Lanka. Fluid inclusion feathers, fingerprints. Inside these fingerprints, all the inclusion filled with fluid, unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. Fluid inclusions. Fluid means liquid, liquid inclusions. What's here? Series of large negative crystals. These are the negative crystals in Sri Lanka sapphires. All are unheated sapphires. Negative crystals. In here, another large negative crystals in an unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. Large negative crystals. This one also rutile needles. Look at the rutile needles and the rutile points, smaller points in an unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. It is Sri Lanka sapphire. What's here? Green spinel. These are the green spinel inclusions. Spinel inclusions in an unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. Now here, what is this? Madagascar. Madagascar inclusions. Irregular fingerprints. These are the irregular fingerprints in unheated sapphires from Madagascar or Malagasy. Unheated sapphire from Madagascar. Irregular fingerprint. See the fingerprint. This is irregular fingerprint. Little bit difference than Sri Lanka one. Irregular fingerprints in an unheated sapphire from Madagascar. What's here? It's rutile inclusions in a sapphire from Ilakaka, Madagascar. Ilakaka is the name of the city. See the rutile inclusions here. Little bit difference than Sri Lanka rutiles. It is rutile inclusions. Same one, the difference angle, Rutile inclusion is sapphire from Ilakaka, Madagascar. Ilakaka is the city of the name of the city. Madagascar. See the difference here. Both are same. What is this here? Color zones and twin lamella in sapphire from Malagasy, northern Madagascar. It is Madagascar stone. What's here? Color zones and lamella in sapphire from Malagasy, northern Madagascar. Color zones and sapphires here. We are moving to next lesson. It is 82, lesson number 82, to learn Myanmar sapphires inclusions. We are learning from the next lesson, 82, Myanmar sapphire inclusions. Join us, learn well, join the gem industry and enrich your future. We are moving to next 2 weeks.